Our client spent thousands on this dining table, and we are about to cover it in plastic, but not the cheap kind. Here is why this invisible film is the best investment for fancy furniture. First, zero stains. Soft drinks, grease, coffee, it wipes right off. The wood underneath stays factory perfect. Second, self-healing. Any sharp object scratches the film. The heat makes it disappear. Daily wear and tear? Gone.
And third, it's invisible. No ugly plastic look, no sticky residue. It maintains that high-end gloss and wood grain. Heat-proof, scratch-proof, and invisible. Worth it? I think so.